Hey guys, it's Abby, and today I have the Boxycharm for, I believe it's for September. I could be wrong, but I never got my September Boxycharm, so I'm pretty sure it's my September 2021 Boxycharm. I'm gonna be a little off today. As you guys know, my family is sick. My youngest got COVID, then my oldest got COVID, and now I'm stuffy. And my house is just miserable. So I only have to make one video today because I don't have anything else to film, which is fine. It's good that I'm not filming. I need to rest and take care of my family, so I'm not like upset that I have more to film, but I am upset with Boxycharm as per usual. Boxycharm I don't know what happened. I opted out of my Boxy Luxe this month, well, September, and for some reason Boxycharm didn't send me my base box. It was like they forgot that I had a base box subscription, and I prepay for my base box, so it's already prepaid. They should have just sent it out, but they didn't. I literally had to send them an email and say, no, why didn't I get my Boxy base box? And they were like, well, you were just charged on the 24th. And I'm like, the 24th? Why would I have been charged for the 24th on my base box? It's already prepaid. And then they said, no, that was for your premium. Your base box is already sent out. Here's your tracking information. They gave me my tracking information. It was sitting in Georgia. I think they just like gave me the tracking number and sent it out that day because it took over a week to get here. But my premium was charged on the 24th of September. That just doesn't, does that make sense to you guys? I don't know why it wasn't charged for in the beginning of the month. I just assumed that it was, but they charged me on the 24th. Just so odd. It was just so weird. Anyway, we're going to open up this box. I don't even know what's in it. I don't watch spoilers. I don't remember picking anything for Boxycharm. I know a lot of you guys reminded me, but I don't remember if I picked something or not. So here is the box. It's $21 a month. It's $25 a month. It will stay the same price, but the Boxy Premium, which is $35, is going up to $39.99, and the Luxe is $59.99. So it's going up another $10, so $60. I still think that's a huge jump in price. And then the Boxy Premium to almost $40, $39.99. It is $40. It's only a penny less. That is a lot of money, guys. A lot of money. And I know that you get a lot of products in there. I have a hair on underneath my shirt. I know you get a lot of product for the price that you're paying for the box, but usually it's like $125 serum. You know what I mean? So like, I don't know, maybe I'm just sick and I'm being a bah humbug and I'm just trashing Boxycharm, but I feel like all the subscriptions are going up. Ipsy just went up, now Boxycharm just went up, and they own each other? Like, they are like the same company, aren't they? I think they're the same company. They are. Didn't Ipsy buy Boxycharm? They couldn't give us a break? They couldn't be like, okay, we're raising Ipsy prices. Most people get Ipsy and Boxycharm. Let's not rate. No, but they did. They raised the prices. It's just so much money. I don't think I'll ever get the Boxy Luxe ever again. Boxycharm regular base box. When you open up the box, it looks like this. And my variation is C21090015-BA. Okay. So let's begin. The first thing is this, and this is the Brow Lights Camera Action by Brow Bar, and it's the Duo Brow Highlighter Pencil. And this says this retails for $16. Star in your night bright-eyed moment with this 2-in-1 highlighter featuring a velvety cream finish and another with a touch of diamonds. Your new secret weapon for effortlessly brightening your brows and eyes. The world is your stage. Okay, so here we go. It's pretty. It's nice and gold. You guys, I have this cat that keeps it's a wooden pencil. You can sharpen it. They just look dented or something. Anyway, I have this one cat that lives, I don't know where he lives, but he comes and visits me all the time. He's been there all the time. Every time I open up my back door, he's there. And he is so cute. He's all black, but he has like this little white patch of fur on his belly. And he is just the sweetest little cat ever. He's big, he's not little, but oh my gosh, if I could keep him, I would. But I have 3 other cats and Mama doesn't need any more cats, but you want to see a picture of him? He is gorgeous. Look how gorgeous this cat is. Is he not? Oh my gosh, he's so handsome. He's such a love bug. Like, he's such a love bug. When I'm sitting outside, he'll jump in my lap and knead on me and purr, and oh, he's so handsome. He's so handsome. Like, I would keep him forever if I could. Okay, so that was a highlighter brow pencil. The next thing is this, and this is the Dr. Brandt Triple Antioxidant Eye Cream. I love Dr. Brandt's eye creams. This retails for $46. This is formulated with Dr. Brandt's revolutionary A3 Power and Dynamic Shield boosted with antioxidant, age defense, and anti-stress ingredients. Oh, well, I need some anti-stress ingredients, let me tell you. Yes, I do. Okay, so here it is. I actually really love their products. I love their other eye cream. It's not this one, though. This one's completely different. The packaging is different. Maybe the ingredients aren't different, but I have one that doesn't look like this, and I love it. I'm like obsessed with it. So, really glad to get this. Okay, the next thing is this. And this is the Hold My Strays. What? What the heck is it? Why is it open? It's open. Look at it. It's literally open. Quick Slick is designed to quickly and easily touch up your hair. No alcohol, safe for sensitive scalps, non-irritating, non-flaking essence to slick and smooth your baby hairs and flyaways with a light peach scent. Actually, this is a really good idea. This retails for $22. Starting at your roots, brush your flyaways and baby hair down, sleek hair anywhere. Throw it into your bag for easy touch-ups with no flakes ever. And this is by insert name here. The only problem I have is that it was a ripped box. Like, it was like someone wanted to open it and see what was inside or make sure the product was in there. Oh, there's a safety seal. And my box was open. That's the only issue I have. But there's a safety seal on it, so I don't care. I don't care. I mean, it's a hair product. I'm not putting it on my lips or anything. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? Okay. I have tons of flyaways, so I have a mirror that I use as my... Does that work? I have a mirror that I use as a viewfinder. Huh. I don't really like my hair being slicked down because I don't like it when it looks a little oily. Like, I don't like when my hair is slicked down because it makes me think my hair looks oily. I can't smell that. But I'm sure it smells lovely, and when my nose is not stuffed anymore, I will smell the shit out of it and probably enjoy it. I love anything that smells like a peach. Okay, the next thing is this. And this is the Elena Badrow. Could be. This set masterfully creates a seamlessly flawless makeup application, contour, blend, and define with these 3 limited edition decadent synthetic makeup brushes. Travel or store your brushes in style with a luxurious tan pouch. Oh, I keep trying to smell it. This is faux leather, and it does stink. Faux leather does stink. Okay, this retails for $58. I personally would, oh my gosh, do you see how cute my nails are? Look at them. They're little pumpkins and flowers. DIY Nail Shack. Loved it this month. I wouldn't pay $58 for 3 brushes, but I don't mind getting brushes for $58. That I don't have to pay for, and it's in a subscription box. You know what I mean? These, I'm going to keep saying, you know what I mean? These are cute. I like them. I like the style. I don't know how they feel yet, and I will totally try them. I love getting eyebrow brushes because I have 300 of them, but I can always use another one. And this is a fluffy eye crease brush. I have about 700, but I could always use another. I do like, they're lightweight, they're not heavy, and I do like the way they feel on my hands, in my hands. And then we have this. And yeah, it's nice, it's soft. It's not as dense as what I usually like, but I'll totally use it. So here we go. I love the blue. The handle's really pretty. I like the eyebrow brush, probably the best. And I can always use another fluff brush, so All right, we got these. $58 worth? No, but I'm okay with it being priced that because I didn't pay for it. I mean, I paid for the box, but I didn't pay for that. I didn't pay that price. You guys know what I'm saying. Okay, last but not least. Blink Glow Getter Face Palette. This palette features 4 smooth matte blushes and 4 luminous highlighters in beautiful, sophisticated shades that enhance all skin tones for a personalized, youthful glow. The formulas are refined to blend effortlessly and last all day, so you can glow and get it. Glow and get it. And this retails for $50. All right, let's see. Here is the packaging. I love this maroon purple, like deep plum maroony shade. I love it. Ooh. All right. Oh, you guys want to see and feel? I mean, see and feel what? You want to hear? Okay, hold on. Fantastic. Okay, these are beautiful, and I'll totally use all of them. I love getting blush. One of my favorite products in the world. So, so pretty, and I love highlighters. These highlighters will last me 300 years, but I will totally use them. How much blush do I have on? A lot. Let's add some more. Okay, let's go with the Talented. Let's mix Accomplished and Talented together. I like to just tap my brush in. Doesn't matter what color blush it is. I like to just add it up here, you know, and then just add some of the blush. I just poked my eye like 17 times with this brush. I really did. Does it look like there's a difference now? No? Okay. Now let's do some highlight. How much highlighter do I have on? I mean, I don't have a ton of highlighter on, but I have highlight. I could always add more. Everyone can use more. Okay. So I'm going to use Empowered and Confident. I don't know why I just made that weird face. Okay. Oh, I think I just wiped it off. Hold on. Let's do this again. I started watching American Horror Story all over again, and I forgot how good the first season was. It was so good. I'm like in the middle of it, and it was so freaking good. I like to put my brushes in like circular motions. This one's really hard to do that. Okay. Now that I'm highlighted to the gods, I'm not mad at this. Okay, so let's do a real quick recap. I got the Blink Glow Getter Face Palette, not mad at it. I got these 3 brushes right here, not mad at it. Insert your name hair thing right here. It slicks your hair down so that you don't have flyaways. It's a brilliant idea. The brow lights, I'm not super excited about this. I really don't highlight my brow bone very often with anything but like a lighter shadow. But I'll use it, and I mean, I swatched it, I'll use it. So, and then the Dr. Brandt eye moisturizer, what is it? Eye cream right here. I'm really excited about this. I love Dr. Brandt eye creams. I think they're fantastic. So this is the best thing in the box. Then it's the highlighter and blush palette, then the brushes, then I guess the hair stuff, and then the brow bone. Not the brow bone, but the brow bone product. That's a mouthful. Let me give you an overall value of this box. The overall value of this box is $192, which is a great amount of money for a $25 box. I mean, I can't complain about the value of the box. That is it for today, guys. I'm gonna go because I feel like I am like not making any sense. I don't even know what I said. It's because I'm not feeling well, and that's just it, you know? I'm stuffy, my head hurts, my kids are sick, I haven't gotten any sleep, so that's why. Anyway, I hope you guys are doing really, really good. Thanks for hanging out with me. Let me know what you got in your Boxycharm. Are we box twins for September? Because this is obviously the September box. Is it? Oh, the theme is BTS. What does that mean? Isn't BTS like a boy band? Huh. I don't know. Anyway, let me know what you got in your box. Are we box twins? Let me know. And I hope you guys are having a really great day. Thanks for hanging out with me. Sorry for the like horrible month this month on my channel. I barely uploaded and I just didn't, and I'm sorry. But hopefully this month will be a little bit better as long as we get healthier. And that is it for today. I love you guys so, so much. Thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for being here. Thanks for being the best subscribers ever. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.